joining in. And today I'm in my kitchen area, refreshing and changing around the tablescape for the summer, as well as refreshing my coffee bar and my two-tier tray on my island. If you are new to this channel, I upload a variety of content including DIYs, home decor, organization, recipes, inspirational quotes, as well as Bible scripture and family videos. So hopefully some of my content will spark your interest and you will subscribe to my channel. So come on in, guys, and let me share with you what I'm going to do for the summer in this area. First, I'm displaying my runner, and I love using short runners, but I have a hack to where I use placemats to put them together because the shorter runners they're still too long for me. So this is a hack I use, and I bought these placemats from Hobby Lobby for $1.49. Now this is my centerpiece, which is the vase that I've added in the gems and colorful gems from the Dollar Tree and some seashells. Now I'm going to add in my utensil caddy, my napkin holder, salt and pepper shaker, coasters to the table because these are the things we use on a day-to-day basis, and this is the area that we eat at every day. Now on the other side, this is a tray that I've gotten from the Dollar Tree last year that have seashells on it, and I'm adding in this glass pitcher, cobalt blue pitcher I've had for a very long time. Came with a set of 12 short glasses, but I'm using for the display these taller blue ones that I only have 2 left, and I think it was only 4 of those, but I think this may work. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep those there, but I may keep them and I may not. So next I'm adding in these placemats, and I'm bringing them back this year. Got them from the Dollar Tree last year, and they held up pretty well to say that I only spent $1.25 and in this area because we use this place, this spot every day. And these are the charger plates that I'm adding in this year. These are new. Got them from the Dollar Tree as well, but they are a bit thin, so I don't know how they're going to hold up. They did come from the Dollar Tree, so they're perfect for this area, I guess. I'll just see. Now these are my regular dinner plates we would use mostly every day if we're not using paper plates. So I thought I would display them in this area to bring a pop of white to the table. And the saucers I'm adding in are also old. They came with a set like this with, I think it was a set of 8 plates, 8 saucers, 8 bowls, and I'm down to about 4 bowls, 5 plates, and a few of these saucers. And this is an old set, but I wanted to display them to bring the pop of color blue to this table. And the glasses, the wine glasses, it's only 6 of those, so I still have 6. But the short glasses, I started out with about 12 that came with that pitcher. So I'm down to about 7 or 8 now because, again, they're old and we've cracked them over the years from using them. But I thought it would be perfect to display them for my setup for the summer this year. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the wine glasses and the short glasses here, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. But this would be a setup I would use if I'm having a luncheon or a dinner party in the space, and I would use the space if I'm inviting my mother and my sisters or my friends to just have a small lunch or something. And this is what I would probably use them for. So I don't think I'm going to leave the wine glasses there and the short glasses. So this is going to be my final look for my setup for the summer in this space. Now guys, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you what I've already done in these areas just to speed it up. Now this is my coffee bar area, and this is what, this is a bamboo shelf that I have here. And this is the final look that I had for my spring look. And in that video, guys, I mentioned to you that I was trying to declutter this. And honestly, I did think I did a good job at doing the declutter, especially since I needed to use most of the items that I have displayed, as well as the syrups that are in the baskets on the bottom. So I kept that for that time frame. But to me, it still was a bit cluttered. So I went and looked for something to go in that space. And I found this credenza that I thought fit perfectly there for the size as well as the color. And it opened up this area where I could put shelves on the wall to make the space look more open. And I could still display all of the things I wanted to display that we needed to use for the coffee bar, as well as it has doors and a cabinet where I could store all of the syrups, and they weren't visible. So, and here you can see this is what the texture on the doors look like, and it matches my wicker chairs. So I thought it was a great find for this area, and the size was perfect to fit there. So this is what I switched that bamboo shelf out to, and I really love it. And to me, it's more open, and I can enjoy, and we can enjoy this space a whole lot better without still being able to use all of the things that we needed here. And again, I was able to store all of the drops that my granddaughters use to display, to use in their teas. And I could still put some of their candy jars here for them. And then I could also display my tea set, that is in this color for this time of the year. So this was perfect, and I'm loving the way it looked. Now for this countertop, I didn't do much here. I just switched out those pink glasses, and I put these clear ones here. And I did change out what I stored my jars for my flavored cream and my monk fruit and stevia. And I found these jars at they were at Dollar General for about $3. And I'm loving them because they have the spoon that I could use as well. So this is my final look for my coffee bar area for summer. Here is how I decorated my 2-tier tray, and I created and made this beach house that you see here, as well as one of the signs up here. And join me next week because I will share that video as a DIY. Now, I also added in some decorative sand and these colored faux gems that I've found over the years from the Dollar Tree to create the sand side and the sea and the water side. And also I added in these chairs that I've had for quite some time. These are candle holders that I would use when I was doing my beach decor for summer. I would use these chairs to kind of decorate in different areas. But this is what I decided to do, and I'm really loving the way it came out, especially this house that I made, you guys. And also the top part that have the sky areas that I put the lighter and the white there. I'm really loving the vibe that it gives me when I enter into my kitchen. So this is exactly what I wanted to do for this area, and I'm loving the way it came out. But that is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Join me in my next one next week for my DIY. Share this video, like it, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so right now so you can get notifications on all of my uploads. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, Bye-bye.